scaling of Vymo is at the heart of everything that we're doing right now. So why should you join Vymo? To truly experience what it takes to build software that will scale and drive business outcomes through design and architecture. My name is Kannan Govindaswamy. I will start off with a small story. I had a chance meeting with Ward Cunningham. It was one of those brown bags that we did at work. Ward Cunningham, as you all know, if you have read the Software Development Manifesto, the father of Agile. In that meeting, the seeds of code smells, Agile, and other software development practices were sown. I worked every role from development to support. It was a roller coaster ride. Transitioning from McAfee was fairly seamless. When you follow your heart, there are no transitions. I love what I do every single day. The people you work with make a big difference. When your workday involves working with the brightest minds, there is no dull moment. You can feel the energy at Vymo. The dedication and commitment is phenomenal. The engineering team is structured around the business outcomes that you're driving for. It really does not matter where you are. You could be in SRE, NOC, support, or any other engineering function. But regardless of what they're developing, they're all developing parts of a platform. Something that would be reusable as we go forward. Something that helps our deployments be more faster, be more efficient. So from that perspective, we are fairly flat, and then we organize ourselves more along the outcomes that we want to accomplish. You will have elements of data in it, platform in it, that are very fundamental to our implementation. Right? Those would be the ones where you would have some very specific talents to bear, and engineers who have those very specific talents. Otherwise, everyone is building a part of a journey that we are taking to the rest of the world. So the unique engineering challenges that we have all pertain around the business users who are actually using our applications. There is a very high dependency on Vymo to be up and running all the time because this is a business critical application. Naturally, once you do that, times when your business users log in, times when they have to perform specific activities, what happens is some of these tend to fall at the same time. All your business users might be performing a particular function at the same time. Right? Say, for example, some of the capabilities around Google Maps that we use. When all of these tend to happen at the same time, you have to factor in load, you have to factor in the performance of your app. You still need to make sure that the tens of thousands of users who are using it are able to perform the business critical functions no matter what. That is one small example of what we're doing, and many more like these. Being a successful engineer at Vymo, there are some basics. I leave the basics of the software, languages, and others aside. First and foremost, you have to be curious. You have to have that analytical capability to look at a problem and dissect it. You have to be one of those who has sound design principles, sound software architectural principles. Apart from these, anyone who has a solid understanding of data structures, algorithms will naturally be successful. But some of these are non-negotiable. Why join Vymo? That's a great question. If you are an engineer who wants to learn how to build software at scale, how to design and how to architect a solution and drive business outcomes out of it, Vymo is the great place to be.